Are you recording now?
Yes.
These are fields where farmers plant their crops. So right now it's a giant lake.
It is a giant lake.
The road is not closed ahead of us.
Let's hope not. We gotta go to college.
Yeah. Look at it. It's like as far as the eye can see. Water. And people say there's a freshwater shortage in this world. That's why I think you're stupid.
Do you love that there was like a bridge for like a little tiny creek and the whole entire fields are flooded? Whoa.
This is Seiko, right?
Yeah, this is Seiko. So, and then there's 1 foot above the water is this little road, and then more water. It looks like a lake, Gareth.
Kind of fun to like get in a canoe.
Yeah, and just, what is that in the middle of the water?
It's a shed.
It's a shed? Those poor guys. That's a lot of water.